Galaxies, islands of the universe. In the vast silence of the cosmos, scattered like jewels across the darkness, lie the galaxies, immense islands of stars, dust, and mysteries. Each galaxy is a universe within itself, home to billions, sometimes even trillions, of stars. Some spiral with elegance, their arms stretching gracefully outward, while others are massive, chaotic clusters, glowing with violent energy. Our own Milky Way is just one of these countless islands, yet to us it is everything. Stretching 100,000 light-years across, it is home to our sun, our planets, and every human story ever told. But the Milky Way is not alone. Neighboring galaxies like Andromeda drift closer each day. In 4 billion years, Andromeda and the Milky Way will collide, merging into one colossal galaxy, a cosmic dance that will reshape the night sky. Some galaxies are nurseries, birthing new stars in radiant clouds of gas and dust. Others are graveyards, where ancient stars have burned out, leaving behind black holes and remnants of cosmic time. Then there are the giants, elliptical galaxies containing trillions of stars, and dwarf galaxies, tiny companions that orbit their larger neighbors. At the heart of almost every galaxy lurks a supermassive black hole. In our Milky Way, it is called Sagittarius, a star. Invisible to the eye, yet unimaginably powerful, it anchors the stars in their cosmic dance. Galaxies are not isolated. They form clusters and superclusters, weaving together the grand architecture of the universe. The largest structures ever discovered are walls of galaxies, stretching hundreds of millions of light-years, shaping the cosmic web. And yet, for all their magnificence, galaxies are fragile. They can collide, merge, or even be torn apart by gravity. Their stories are written across billions of years, beyond the scale of human imagination. When we gaze at the night sky, every faint glow, every tiny speck, is not just a star, but an entire galaxy, each one with its own suns, its own worlds, and perhaps its own life. Galaxies remind us of the vastness of creation and our small but precious place within it. Join us on this journey into the abyss. Subscribe, and let's continue exploring the darkest, most mysterious corners of the universe together.